In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Dasher Guide to Taxes using the Doordash Help website. This process is designed to be straightforward and will help you access all the tax information you need as a Dasher easily and efficiently. First, let's begin by visiting the Dasher Guide to Taxes webpage. This page contains a wealth of information tailored to help Dashers understand their tax obligations and prepare adequately. To access this, you simply need to navigate to the official Doordash Help website. Once here, look for the relevant section dedicated to Dashers. The main focus is to ensure that you, as a Dasher, are not only aware of your tax responsibilities but also well equipped to handle them with confidence. As you reach the Doordash Dasher support section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This area is your go-to destination for any questions or issues you might encounter while dashing. It's especially important during tax season when precise information is crucial. Take advantage of the resources provided, which are specifically designed to address common questions and concerns. Next, you'll want to thoroughly read through the Dasher Guide to Taxes. This guide is meticulously crafted to offer comprehensive insights into how taxes work for Dashers like yourself. As an independent contractor, knowing which forms to file and understanding the tax deductions you can claim is paramount. Taking the time to go through this guide will equip you with the knowledge necessary to manage your taxes effectively and minimize any anxiety associated with tax season. Now, a key step in this process is selecting your country. This ensures that all the information provided is relevant and applicable to your specific tax rules and regulations. Doordash operates in multiple countries, and tax laws can vary significantly between them. By clicking on your country, you'll gain access to the most accurate and pertinent advice tailored to your location. Finally, once you've selected your country, it's time to gather and fill all the necessary requirements. This includes preparing your personal information, business expenses, and any other documentation that the guide might highlight as important. Remember, being organized is half the battle won when it comes to taxes. Ensuring that you have all this information in one place will make the actual filing process much smoother and less daunting. And that wraps up our guide on how to use the Dasher Guide to Taxes on the Doordash Help website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes tax time a little less stressful for you. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further queries, don't hesitate to reach out to Doordash support or consult a tax professional. Good luck and happy dashing.